Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide, I will show you how to fix Facebook not working or crashing on Android devices. So if you are also facing the same issue on your device, let's go through the solutions and fix the error easily. So the first thing what you have to do is to restart your device once. For that, you simply need to press the power and volume up button and then click on restart option. After your device restarts, try to launch Facebook app and then check if the issue is resolved and you can access the app. If not, the next method is to force stop the app. For that, what you need to do is simply click on the Facebook app icon and then click on I option here. Here you can see force stop option. Simply click on it and then click on OK. This will force stop the app, and after that try to open the app and check if you can access it. If not, the next solution is to clear storage cache of the Facebook app. So simply click on storage and cache after going to settings, then clicking on apps and then looking for the Facebook app. Once you reach storage and cache option, simply click on clear cache and then try to launch the app and check if this solution works for you. If not, you should check if the app needs any update. For that, simply go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook app. Here, you need to check if there is any update option available here. If any update option is there, simply click on update and then try to launch the app and check if it's working and you can access it. The next thing you need to check is whether your phone is updated or not. For that, what you have to do is simply go to your phone's settings, go down and click on system update option. Here you can see if there is an update available. As you can see, it's saying already the latest system version installed. If your device says there is an update, simply click on update and update your device to the latest version. After this, check if the issue is resolved. If not, the last solution suggested is to reinstall the Facebook app. For that, simply tap on the Facebook icon and then here you can see uninstall icon. Simply click on it and then after that click on uninstall option. This will remove the app from your device. After that, go to Google Play Store, search for Facebook app and click on install option here. Once you install the app on your device, now log into it using your username and password and then try to launch the game and check if it is working. So I hope all these solutions will work for you and you can access the app as you were before. So that's all for now. Thank you.